Question number 20. All good athletes want to win, and all athletes who want to win eat a well-balanced diet. Therefore, all athletes who do not eat a well-balanced diet are bad athletes. The best conclusion from this statement is that here we have 4 conclusions. We have to find the best conclusion for this statement given here. Here they said there are good athletes and bad athletes. There are good athletes and bad athletes. Then they said all good athletes want to win. That means here all good athletes, this blue line indicates those who want to win, and all good athletes want to win. That means those who want to win, the good athletes is a subset of those who want to win. This is the people, all those who want to win, and G is a subset of all those who want to win. Then in the next statement they said all athletes who want to win eat a well-balanced diet. All athletes who want to win eat a well-balanced diet. So this green line indicate all athletes who eat well-balanced diet. Well-balanced diet I am representing with D. Then all who want to win is a subset of D. All those who want to win is a part of those who eat well-balanced diet. Then here we can see this yellow line which indicate bad athletes who want to win, and this red line indicate bad athletes who eat a well-balanced diet. Now see the statements. First statement, first conclusion, no bad athletes want to win. Here you can see bad athletes also want to win. Therefore, this conclusion is wrong. Then second conclusion, no athlete who does not eat a well-balanced diet is a good athlete. That is true. If you are a good athlete, then you definitely eat well-balanced diet. Therefore, this area, this is here we can say G is a subset of those who eat well-balanced diet. Therefore, this statement is true. Now see the third statement. Every athlete who eat a well-balanced diet is a good athlete. No, some athletes who eat well-balanced diet, they are bad athletes. Some athletes are bad athletes even though they are eating well-balanced diet. This blue marked area. Therefore, this statement is wrong. Then fourth statement, all athletes who want to win are good athletes. Here, some bad athletes also want to win. Therefore, this yellow marked area, this area, therefore, this statement also wrong. Therefore, the best conclusion is no athlete who does not eat a well-balanced diet is a good athlete. Option B is our answer.